He's gone. What are you doing? Looking for lizards? Yes. That's exactly what he's doing. Thank goodness they appreciate the left here as well. They know what they're talking about. Honestly, he's nearly caught the train once. Come on, not on the train. We'll never find you.
Please be mindful that when you go to restaurants, they will ask to see proof of pass sanitaire, and that is literally your proof of double vaccination, which you can get via the NHS app, and you can download that with the QR code, which they'll scan.
Are you hiding from us?
I don't know whether you wanted a shot of the car without me in it. The inside is so plush, it's like blue velvet or something.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, we can see it. Yeah, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Lovely. So's that. Do you need your phone? Who are you going to ring up?
No one.
Rafi. He's going looking for snakes. Come here. Well, it's... What time's it now?
Oh, it's like 6:30, is it?
6:30. How hot is it now?
Beautiful and hot. My kind of hot.
You're kind of hot. Well, yeah, we're going to go and get a pizza from Pirates of the Perigord anyway.
Not to eat now, you
Not to eat now, to understand. No. Now, this is Pirates of the Perigord. And when we used to come here a few years ago, this used to be this little truck. used to go from village to village selling pizzas and the like. I think it was that one. But they expanded. And you've got a little ice cream truck. Now they use that one just for drinks. Now it's expanded though. Oh, look at him being all bad-mannered in English. Oh God. And we've got all this here too. Morning. You find us today in Saint-Germain-du-Bel-Air, where we're going to have our COVID test to see if we can get back home, which should be in 2 days' time, I think. But stand by, I'll show you where we're going. There we go. You see it just down there, green flashing cross. All the locals looking at me like I'm a mad British person, but there we go. I'll keep you updated. Oh, look at Rafi, he's furious. He's just seen two French cats fighting, and one of them shot out by him, and he was shouting at it, but unfortunately he was shouting in English. He didn't understand him. It's gone now, Rafi.
This is the pharmacy in Saint-Germain-du-Bel-Air where we had our COVID tests. There will be a PCR and antigen test, which just involves a swab up the nose. When you are an attendant, bear in mind that they don't speak much English in the smaller pharmacies, and they will ask for your name, address, date of birth and a contact phone number. They then use your phone number to send you a link so you can get your certificate electronically, and they also provided us with a paper certificate. We had the results within 20 minutes. Also bear in mind that these tests need to be booked within 3 days prior to your booked departure to return to the UK.
Well, I'm trying to do a bit to camera, so I've taken my mask off. Do you want to disable it? Oh, there she is. What are we doing?
We've brought Rafi to the vet for his appointment prior to our return to England.
Yeah. Thank God Ruth can speak French.
It got a bit scary for a minute. What have we got there?
Yeah, we'll keep you updated. We're outside the vets, and we're due for an update. Sparky, what can you tell us?
Right, so what we didn't know is that you do need the pet passport. So we got this last year, and we're subsequently told after Brexit that we didn't need it anymore. However, you come over with the pet certificate, which was £160. So they looked at this at Folkestone, but then when we showed that to the vet here, he asked for this, and this is what he stamped everything in and signed up and endorsed. So you do need it.
I mean, he said, I think his explanation was, from what I understood, you may not need it to get into France, but you certainly need it to get out.
Yeah, so this is what you need to show, I should imagine, at Calais, but I'll update you further when we go through the pet reception at Calais. But certainly we need this to get out of France. He wasn't really interested in the health certificate. No,
and he's had a general check over, checked his ears, checked around his throat, checked his rear end. He's given him a tablet, which Raf wasn't too pleased about, but still. It was the easy way or the hard way. He chose the hard way.
That was a worming tablet.
Worming tablet. He's checked his what's the word? He's checked his little...
Oh yeah, his microchip.
Microchip is the word I'm looking for. Filled in the paperwork, stamped the passport, and we're done. Yeah. And it's cost us about €40 plus.
€44, 70 cents.
Cool, great stuff. So we're fit to travel.
Yay!
Everybody's healthy. Great. Sparky, it's 32 degrees.
That's all good then.
It's all good, but I'm off for a cycle ride.
Right, be careful.
I'll be careful. Bosh, the chapter 3 is here. Get in there. Not quite the Tour de France, but still. In fact, David Miller and Ned Bolton do ride their chapter 3 during the Tour de France. There we go, beautiful disused red oven, handmade tiles, beautiful. In fact, they were repairing that. And that's 4 years ago when I came here. Beautiful church. Bonjour. Bonjour. My cyclist out today. Bonjour. 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 Here we go, look at this. Don't slide down there. Be cool, be cool. Here we go. This is gorgeous. Beautiful family tombs there. Very nice. In a funny kind of way. The ornate door there, beautiful. Very special place. Very special. Right, let's go and have a look at that church. God, this is a climb. Beautiful. Whew. God, it's lovely. Well, I've come for a short cycle ride, and I've promised Sparky that I'd be relatively quick. But I've stopped here, and despite the fact that I have awful tinnitus, I'm really taken in how quiet it is here. In fact, it is beautiful, and I could stay here forever. Oh well, better get moving. Ah, hello, Raph. Hello. Ah, warm. Yeah. Warm. Hello, Raph. Hello, Raph. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, it's beautiful welcome, thank you.